Namaste. Welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today let's understand where everybody is giving the south direction toilet. So what are the impacts of south direction? Is this really the south direction is bad for us? It is actually a myth. See south, who is there? Lord Yama is there. Yama is nothing but niyama, rules and regulations. Okay, strict law. So if you're facing any kind of legal problems like court case, any kind of legal problems, you have to check in this direction: south, west and northwest. So from here you'll be facing problem of your legal issues if you make a toilet in the south direction. Nowadays all the vastu consultants are telling like south direction you do because it's negative, you can do south direction. Extremely it's a wrong. South is very powerful. South is called very powerful because south yama, as I told you. So here if you do, what happens? You will be paying lot of EMIs. These are the symptoms that you can understand. You'll be paying lots and lots of EMIs keeps adding to you, and also your name and fame is gone. Suppose you go and try to help somebody for a good cause, so that is converted and taken in a bad way, and your name is spoiled everywhere. Even in the office you can see. So you can, your name is spoiled, everybody starts speaking this fellow is not good. Bad name you will get for your name as well as the companies. Swasu will impact even for the companies or wherever you keep the toilet in the south direction. So name and fame we are getting. See, one concept I would like to clear, my dear friends: toilets wherever you do, that particular zones are gone for you. Suppose if you, the toilets wherever you do, see, there is no any particular place given for the toilet, but we make, since this is, we call this is a negative direction, this is called a positive direction, these are negative directions. So people some kind of, somehow I have to give you one or the other locations to do the toilets. So what I'll give, some people give in the exact west zone, some people give in south, some people give in exact northwest. So always we should not, anywhere wherever you do, that particular planet support is gone for the whole family. I have told in the all the videos of mine, like you should not do. So this south toilet, what happens, lot of EMI starts increasing, your name and gets spoiled. And it, your name, if you suppose if you are in a good positions, you are in a government officials, so you will not get any kind of good name or promotions if you have in the south. South belongs to government officials, and also east also belongs to the government officials directions, well the ruling of that. So government officials whoever is there, so please take care of south and the east direction, this is so important. So what is the solution? Like if I've already made the toilet, so see, there is very simple. So whenever there is energy is pure, you make a toilet and disturb that energy, you just have to place the pyramids and increase the energy there. And also inside the bathroom you have to use the neutrons, so you have to use the neutrons to remove the negative energy wherever you have placed the problem, like bathroom. So one neutron is sufficient if it is in the negative zones. Okay, I'll tell you, let me explain about the neutron where to place now. So one neutrons when it is in the negative directions, here west and northwest. So even east we can take it as one neutron is sufficient. So suppose where we can place these three neutrons, we call this as finance zones. Suppose if your toilet is in the north, you have to place three neutrons. In the southeast you have to place three neutrons. So and also in the southwest three is not possible, nine neutrons you have to place it. So this is called Mahadosha. And also northeast toilets you have to place the nine neutrons. And also in the Brahmastan, if you have a toilet, sump or anything, you have to place the nine neutrons. So this will remove the negative energy. And also to energize the bathroom zones, you have to use the positrons. So wherever you have made a bathroom, either it may be south, either it may be west, either it may be northwest, anywhere else, please use neutrons to energize. See, neutrons neutralizes, removes the negative energy, and also you should get the benefits of the north, right? Benefits of the support of the particular direction. We have to increase the energy of particular zones. This will be a great help. So this is made in the combination of pyramids. So let me explain what is this pyramids. Pyramid is an ancient geometric symbol or a diagram. In this particular direction, the cosmic energy was receiving very high when compared to all other geometric sizes. So they have used this exact, see, not all the pyramids will give you the positive energy. So to there is an angle and the measurement to receive the positive energy. That secret measurement has been used here because of lot of techniques and lot of planet changes, symbols, crystals, magnets has been used inside this positron to energize the particular zones. So we have seen lot of positive changes after the installation of this positrons in the bathroom side. So it may be north, east or west. So if you want any kind of guidance or vastu consultation, any kind of remedies, please contact the below numbers. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.